Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. We have several windows with Hunter Douglas blinds that are over 20 years old. In this video, we repair one of those blinds that won't raise or lower correctly. This is a Duette Honeycomb shade with an EasyRise system. We ordered the parts we needed, no charge, and they showed up a week later. Hunter Douglas rocks. Remove the shade by snapping off the top part of the shade from the brackets. Scrunch up the blinds all the way and put rubber bands around each end. Remove the end cap to get access to the clutch assembly and remove that as well. Pull out the clutch rod and don't forget this clip and where it goes. Remove the spool assembly by twisting it and then pull out the tape. On the bottom of the shade, remove the cord from the cap. I cut it here. Turn it back over and then pull the tape all the way back out. Thread the tape from the new clutch assembly through the loop end of the tool that Hunter Douglas provided. Actually, I use a paper clip. Feed the paper clip loop end first from the top all the way through the bottom and pull it out. Seat the new spool assembly, you'll hear it click. Back at the bottom, put the tape through the cap and then feed it through the 3 rungs of the snap-in piece. Done. Time to reassemble. Insert the clutch rod all the way through. Remember where that clip goes. Reinstall the clutch assembly and reinstall the end cap. Reinstall onto the brackets and test the system. Done. Success. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make a comment down below. Also, check out the North Phoenix Suburbanstead YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos just like this one. Click subscribe so you can see new great videos every week. And hit that bell button so you can get notifications when the next video drops. Thanks for watching.